Hello everybody, it's time for night-night. I have my little gorgeous Yossie, my Quaker parrot, here to do the night-night video. We hope you enjoyed our silly videos today. Sammy, of course, giving a piggyback ride to little Miss Mojo. He's still playing with Bob, but everything's nice and quiet here at the SharynZoo. Anyway, guys, we want to say thank you so much for following our channel and loving us so much as we love you. Leave my nail alone, honey. No, you can't bite my nail. No, I know it's yummy, but you can't. Anyway, guys, we love you so, so much. And we will see you tomorrow. What are you doing? Yes. Alright, guys. We want to say sweet dreams and sleep with those beautiful, beautiful angels. Night, night.